Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Cordyceps flower soup. First, understand that Cordyceps flowers are actually a cultivated fungus, prized for their unique flavor and texture. This soup is a wonderful way to enjoy their benefits, known for nourishing the body and supporting your immune system. We'll cover everything from selecting ingredients to simmering your perfect bowl, ensuring a delicious and healthy meal. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 20 grams of dried Cordyceps flowers, which should be bright orange-yellow. For the soup base, select 400 to 600 grams of chicken or pork bones. Don't forget 20 to 30 grams of red dates and 10 to 40 grams of goji berries to add a touch of natural sweetness and extra nutrients to your broth. Now let's get cooking. Start by blanching your chicken or pork bones in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps ensure a clear soup. Next, rinse your Cordyceps flowers, red dates, and goji berries. Combine all ingredients in a pot with 1.5 to 2 liters of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours for a rich, flavorful broth. Once your soup has simmered to perfection, season it with a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. This nourishing Cordyceps flower soup is known to support lung health, reduce fatigue, and boost your immune system, making it a wonderful addition to your diet. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and is pet-friendly, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and healthy soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.